12, I'm going to give you number 3 now. How to involve God in your destiny of life, in your journey of life. In Hebrews 12:2, seek God and not man. Can I say this? As long as your hope is man, disappointment is your neighbor. Can I repeat it, sir? As long as what? Your hope is man, disappointment is what? Your neighbor. There was a particular prophet that said, cursed is he that put his trust in man. That means if your trust is in a man, he said you are under a curse. Self-curse, self-imposed curse. Am I saying that men are not vision helper? I'm not saying that. When God is not interested in a man, perceive it. Is it too difficult? What I'm saying, is it too deep? Can I repeat it in another form? When God has not chosen to use a particular person to be a blessing in your life, perceive it. Or you can perceive it. There are times that I need something and I have people naturally in mind. And while my mind will just flash, I will hear the Spirit of God telling me not to bother. Do I have a witness? Have you ever experienced that? Do I have children of God in this house? As you are talking of somebody that can help you do something, while you just thought of it, the Spirit of God just told you not to bother. If you have experienced that, wave your hand. 2 persons. Yes. It's a life. You use that spirit over time, you will not see people that will disgrace you. You know, I met somebody, one of my sons told me some years back, he said, Daddy, I went to ask somebody for help. When the person finished with me, I regretted going to meet him. I said, what happened? He said, he reminded me the day I was born. You know, there are some family members like that. You go and ask an uncle that hated your father, that he should come and help you with connection of his son abroad, to help you to travel abroad to meet, and he hated your father and is the highest competitor in the family, that your father's children should not ride, and that is his only children. If your destiny is abroad, most likely not through that uncle's children. You didn't hear what I said. You will expose. Oh, so you want to become like my children. You want to who? That is when he will go back to his altar and call your name again, in case you have forgotten your name before. See God and not man. See God and not man. All this, I am tired. I am tired. Your eyes was on somebody. See, can I advise you, even as a wife or a husband, if you focus on your wife and remove God from the middle, you will be so frustrated. Oh, you didn't hear what I said. I'm a married man too now. If you focus on your wife or your husband as a way to fulfilling destiny without God at the middle, your frustration will be the highest. Do you know why some women kill their husband? It's a lesson to those who are married. Do you know why some men kill their wife? I know one the other day, you know, he killed the wife. It's a civil servant here in this state. He killed the wife. After killing the wife, he was actually after the pension and those area money that because the wife has gone high. I'm telling you true life story. The wife has reached very high rank in the civil service. So because he needed that money in a hurry, unknowingly, because he also had the ATM of the wife, he knows the number. You know, there are these women, just they give everything. You are loyal to the call. Not knowing that you married a serpent. Am I communicating? So the man killed her, and of course he benefits. He has access ATM. He knows the number. So that ATM that he uses to collect money from the bank did not satisfy him. He wanted the full area, because we were told that as long as he refused to declare that his wife is dead, they will still be paying salary to the woman until he, the husband, go and declare. Without wasting time, because he wanted all those areas. Because that was the reason he killed the woman. He went straight to Asaba to declare that the wife is dead. He immediately did that, money stopped flowing. And by the time investigation started coming, they discovered that he was the one that killed the wife. Am I communicating? But hear me, child of God, like I always say. I say, always declare that though you are my wife, you are my husband, or you are my brother, my sister, my uncle, I have not given you the permission to take my life. And hear me, no matter they call that your name, you cannot answer. because you didn't hand over by love. You came because God asked you to come. So you are not a sacrifice for somebody else's parents. When Okoro don't join, you go know say that woman another person pikin. Am I communicating? You married her, but she's another person's daughter. See God. See God. Look at one of my daughter the other day. When the man wanted to do the last Roman reign and what they call that man that Roman reign normally fights. Call any of their name. Bro Strongman. The man carried the cock shoe of my daughter, long cock shoe. That iron that is on it. He hit it on the white head. My daughter fell, blood started gushing out. Instead of him to rush towards her and help her, because let's assume that they were angry and some of those, and this is not the first time she's been doing it. We have series of things like that. And most of our persons as a daughter based in Warri, the man carelessly walked away. Why this lady was saying, only help me. Is it Peter Cola? Do we call that man Peter? Not only, it's Peter Cola. Peter Cola, help me. The man walked away through life. Thank God for phone. She first of all called people in Warri. They said, no, we are far away. Oh. You will die there. Look for anybody around and call that can immediately come to your rescue. That was how she thought of a man and called the man. The man was the one that ran down. First of all, rescue her, gave her first aid, drove her straight to the police station to make case, and then straight to the hospital. Am I talking to somebody?
Yes, sir.
Who is this lady? At the end of the month, she submits her full salary by ancestral altar. By ancestral order. Am I communicating? The man said, I am the man of this house. You must do what? Must submit your what? Your full salary. Meaning, how can a man come to marry a lady because of salary? It's not a man, it's a man. With all due respect, it's good for your wife to give you money. But every support from your wife is by a personal decision. Oh, am I talking to some?